Welcome to Home of Math. This video we are going to solve three equation based on quadratic equation. We know ax² plus bx plus c equals to 0. In this case, quadratic equation general formula is x equals to minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divide 2a. Our first question is x² plus 6x plus 5 equals to 0. We have to find out the value of x based on quadratic equation general formula. Let's start. So first we have to compare this equation. It means x² plus 6x plus 5 equals to 0 based on ax² plus bx plus c. So first here a equals to x² and the coefficient is a, so here a means x² and here is nothing, it means 1. Then x and here is 6x and here is a bx, it means the b equals to 6 and constant is a c, so c equals to 5. Now we have to put the value in here, so x equals to minus b. What does mean minus b? Minus 6. Then plus minus root b square, it means 6 square minus 4ac. 4 times a means 1 times c means 5, right? And then divide 2a. 2 times a means what? 1. Okay, now minus 6 plus minus a root 6 square means 36 minus 4 times 5 is a 10, right? 4 times 5 is a 10? No, 4 times 5 is a 20 and 2 times 1 is a 2, right? And then minus 6 plus minus, here is 36 minus 20 is a 16 and divide 2. So here is minus 6 plus minus root 16 means 4 and divide 2. Okay, so we can take common 2, so here is 2, so minus 3 plus minus, here is 4, here is 2, sorry, 4 divide 2 is a 2, divide 2, so we can cut this one. Our answer here is minus 3 plus minus 2, right? So what will be the exact answer? Look, first we consider positive number ones plus x equals to minus 3 plus 2, it means what? Minus 1. Ones minus, it means negative, so x equals to minus 3 and the 2 will be minus 2 and the answer is minus 5. So what is our answer? Our answer is x equals to what? Either minus 1 or minus 5. Okay, and this is our answer. So have any question, please let me know in the comment section. So first one done. Second one, x² plus 8x plus 15 equals to 0. We will try to solve now. So first we have to find out a, b and c. Here a equals to 1 because x² coefficient is nothing, it means 1. Then b equals to 8, here is 8, and c equals to 15, right? So x equals to first plus here is minus b means minus 8, then plus minus root b square, it means 8 square minus 4ac, it means 4 times a means 1 and c means 15, right? Divide 2a, 2 times 1. Okay, next here is minus 8, then plus minus root over 8 square means 64 minus 4 times 15 is a 60, 60 times 1 is a 60, so here is 60 and 2 times 1 is a 2. Okay, then minus 8 plus minus a root 64 minus 60 is a 4, divide 2. Now look, here is minus 8 plus minus root 4, it means 2, divide 2. So we can take common 2, right? So 2, here is minus 4 plus minus 1, divide 2, this 2 and 2 out, and here is x equals to minus 4 plus minus 1. So what will be the exact answer? Here is two part, one is plus, another one is minus. So in case if plus, so x equals to minus what? Minus 4 plus 1, it means what? Minus 4 plus 1, it means minus 3. If what? If minus, right? So x equals to minus 4 minus 1, it means minus 5. So our answer is x equals to minus 3 or minus 5. This is our answer. So first one and second one done. Now we will start number 3. So x square plus 7x plus 10 equals to 0. Here, based on this formula, a equals to 1 because x square has no coefficient, it means 1. Then b equals to 7 and c equals to 10, right? 7 and 10. So x equals to, first we have to put the value in here, which is minus b means minus 7, plus minus root b square, it means 7 square, minus 4ac, 4a means 1 and c means what? 10, right? Divide 2a, 2 times 1, right? Then minus 7 plus minus root over 7 square means 49, 4 times 10 is a 40, so minus 40, divide 2. Okay, so minus 7 plus minus 49 minus 40 is a 9, so root 9, divide 2. Okay, so what next? Next, here is minus 7 plus minus root 9, it means 3, divide 2. So what will be the answer? If positive, so x equals to minus 7 then plus 3 divide 2, it means minus 7 plus 3 is a minus 4, divide 2, the answer is minus 2. Similar, if minus, right, here is plus minus, so first we consider plus, second we can consider minus. So in this case x equals to minus 7 and minus 3, here is minus 7 minus 3, divide 2, so minus 7 minus 3 is a minus 10, divide 2, and finally the answer is minus 5. So we get two answer, x equals to what? Minus 5 or minus 2. I hope you understand this 3 math. It's a very important math for examination hall based on Cambridge IGCSE and set. So solving a quadratic equation is an important part. So we are trying to 3 math based on this formula. No more today. Please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you.